200 grams of tomatoes chopped in half. Add some salt and a teaspoon of oregano. 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil. Give the whole lot a mix to combine thoroughly. Bake in a 240°C oven for 10 minutes before reducing the oven to 150°C. Bake for a further hour and 15 minutes. Add 50 grams of couscous and some tomatoes into a bowl. Cover with boiling water until the water is just above the top of the couscous. Cover and leave to hydrate for 15 minutes. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share the post with your friends on social media. You can follow me on the hashtag FatLadFood, and if you'd like this recipe in print format, you can get it on fatladfood.co.uk.